Mayor Jones, for those who aren't familiar with her, has a diverse background in finance, small business ownership. She has a master's in public health. She served in the Missouri legislature, and she was the St. Louis treasurer for 8 years. And then she was elected mayor last April, determined to improve public safety for her city. So, homicides in St. Louis dropped from 263 in 2020 to 196 last year. That's about a 26% drop after hitting its record high. What happened, Mayor?
Well, thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here. What happened in St. Louis when our homicides dropped is a data-driven strategy of deployment and a focus on deterrence, intervention, and prevention. We are trying to be smart about crime and deploying the right resource to the right call. We're also working with our community partners in the Urban League and Organization for Black Struggle and Cure Violence and other community organizations, because this is an all hands on deck approach. It's not just one thing that's outshining anything else. It's an all hands on deck approach to public safety.
And I'm going to ask you about some of those programs specifically. You did mention the Urban League there. James Clark of the Urban League of St. Louis said in a recent Time magazine piece that residents are fed up with relying on law enforcement exclusively, and they are becoming more involved in neighborhoods. What's your response to that view? How much have city authorities collaborated with community leaders and local residents in the response to violent crime?
We've absolutely collaborated. This doesn't work without community involvement. I believe that people closest to the problem are closest to the solution. So we've held town halls. We have our community violence interrupters through the Cure Violence program in 4 neighborhoods that are directly involved in the community and have a caseload of several people that they are following and working with. And sometimes with our interrupters, it's something as simple as giving someone a cigarette. So, it's like I said, it's not an either or approach, it's a both and approach.